There's some fun fact about the collard greens as well. They came from our African ancestors, and they come between a different mixture between broccoli and cabbage for real. And they got the name wild cabbage from my ancestors. And growing up, me and my father, we used to plant our own collard greens in our backyard every summer for real. So I got a little experience with growing them for real, making them, and yeah, they just a delicious vegetable to me, if you ask me. So as you can see right now, we just got finished harvesting these collard greens. We pitting them right now, getting ready to prepare them to cook a meal for us. Here we got Chef Mayor Salsa with the freshly greens we just been watering. As you can see the little water droplets on there. And now he's preparing to chop them up for getting them ready to put them in the pot.
Due to different practices of religious art or school, we are using turkey drumsticks because some people don't eat pork, and we're preparing them now for the dish.
As we mentioned before, some of our students here on campus don't eat pork, so we're adjusting the recipe to use turkey and turkey bacon. So what we're doing right now is we put oil in the bottom of our pans, and we're going to cook the bacon until it's crispy this way. If you're using pork bacon, then you just want to cook it and let the grease stay in the pot. We used a little bit of oil in the bottom of here for the turkey bacon. So now we're going to fry this up. We have our greens cut, and once the bacon's done, we'll start assembling the dish. Our next step, once the bacon is cooked, is to pour it into the water and let that come to a boil. Once the water boils, we're going to add in the onions and the greens to the pot. And it might seem like a lot of greens, but they cook down a lot once they're cooked in. The last thing we're going to add in is our smoked turkey leg. Back a little bit. We're going to cover them up and let them cook for at least an hour. You can see that it cooked down from 2 pots into 1, we turned it into 1. All those greens that we started out with have wilted and cooked down. So you can see why it's important to use a lot of greens within them. So we're just going to take that up, the smoked turkey, the turkey bacon, and the greens. And again, you can